Hello and welcome to Elite Bartending School Orlando. Today we are going to discuss the Classic Daiquiri. Very similar to the mojito in a way, in the fact that it is a rum-based drink and it also comes from Cuba. Now this originates from Santiago, Cuba. So the way that we're going to create this daiquiri, this is a classic daiquiri. I hate it when people make daiquiris into frozen drinks. So I want to teach you the classic lemon daiquiri. So we started off with our rum. We're going to add our simple syrup, which we made earlier, which is equal parts white sugar to water, 1 ounce. I'm going to follow out with a 1 ounce of lemon juice. Now each lemon produces about 1 ounce. So when I cut the lemon in half, I then slice across into the center of it, just like this. And that actually allows me to juice a little easier, and the lemon just won't go everywhere, right? So we squeeze, you see how it goes straight in. 1, 2. And for a classic daiquiri, that's pretty much it. We're gonna add ice. And give it a shake. Perfect. Very simple cocktail. I like to use a whiskey glass. And then strain. Perfect. Beautiful. We're then going to top the cocktail off with a nice garnish. The way that I like to make this garnish, okay, is we just take a regular lemon and then one of these kind of zesters, all right, which you can get in like your local supermarket. And you come around the lemon. It's got lemon in my eye. Come around the lemon. And sometimes what I like to do as well is use the fumes that come off the lemon, and I can flavor the drink with that, scent the drink. And then to cut it, we're gonna cut it diagonally here and here, watch. And what that does is it will produce some nice stripes in there, allowing your lovely daiquiri to be beautiful. Enjoy. Click the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Join us on Friday to learn a fantastic berry twist on this fantastic classic cocktail. See you then.